Struggling to add a QR code to your Gamma presentation? I'll show you the exact 4 clicks to get it done in under a minute. Here's the plan. First, click the Images tab, then select QR code. Paste your URL and hit Insert. Let's walk through each step. Now, I'm going to show you this on my screen so you can see exactly where everything is. I've tested this process myself and it works perfectly, so follow along with me. Start by looking at the toolbar at the top of your Gamma presentation. You're going to see several different options there. What we're after is the one that says Images. Click on that button. And I want to explain why we're clicking on Images here. It might seem a little counterintuitive because a QR code isn't exactly a photograph or an illustration, but Gamma treats QR codes as a type of image, so this is the right place to look. It's all built right into the platform, which is really convenient. You don't need any external tools or websites, just that one click on the Images button. So now that we've got the Images panel open, a drop-down menu appears. From that drop-down, you want to select the option that says QR code. It's usually listed right there alongside other image sources, like uploading a file or searching the web. Just click on QR code. And here's the really important part. Once you select that, a small window pops up. This window is where the magic happens. It's asking you for one thing, the destination. Now paste the URL you want the QR code to link to. This is the address that people will visit when they scan your code. So grab that link from your browser, copy it, and then paste it into the field inside that window. A quick tip here, make sure the URL is complete. You want the full address, starting with that HTTPS part. If you just paste a partial address, it might not work correctly when someone scans it. Double check that it's the right link before moving on. This is the step where most people make a small mistake, so take that extra second to verify. Finally, click Insert. It's that simple. Gamma AI instantly generates a clean, functional QR code and places it right onto your slide. You can then click and drag it to move it wherever you want. You can resize it by pulling on the corners, and that's it. You're done. From not knowing how to embed a QR code in Gamma AI to quickly inserting a functional QR code that links to any URL in just those 4 steps. And that's really all there is to it. Now you can confidently add QR codes to any of your Gamma presentations. Try it out on your next slide deck. I think you'll be surprised at how easy it really is. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.